Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am here with a flip through of our Pink Grace journal. And this is made with a kit by Calico Collage called Pink Grace. It is a one signature journal. The cover is made from a manila envelope, so therefore it's about 9 by 12. It's a little chunky, lots of lace, seam binding closure, and this just on a button that just tucks through here. I turned the bow around, now I'm backwards. That just comes right off, and this is loose. I have taken one of the focal points, this is one of the background pages, and printed it out on cardstock to make the front cover. I've got wedding lace underneath. Actually, I think it's called tulle lace, or lace tulle, Tulle. I've got a little cherish here on top of a lace, another piece of lace. I've got some other lace trim here. And now inside we've got a pocket on the inside. I've got a large tag. I've sewn around some things, not everything. I've got a library card here and a smaller tag with just a piece of trim there. Down here I've got some cheesecloth and a pink butterfly. This is one of the designer pages. I have backed the designer pages with one of the writing pages that comes with the kit. This is a grungy music. I believe this music page is from Victoria Designs. Everything else will, well, no, with the exception of the coffee. The coffee is Nectar's Creations. I will leave all the links below in the description box. It's Coffee and Lace, I believe is what that one's called. I've got a double tuck tag here that I've just got some writing paper tucked back here in the back. I've got a medium-sized tag in here and a small journal card. I've just got some lace trim here and some pink bling. Here's one of those coffee-dyed pages. We've got a pinwheel. I got the idea for this pinwheel from Papercrafter 45. She used it as a gift card holder, but I thought it would be perfect for journaling. I've backed it with the writing page that comes with this kit. And then again, this just tucks into like a box fold. There we go. And I do have lace trim that I've sewn onto the designer pages. I've got a doily here. Here's another coffee dyed paper. I've got a tuck here with some more writing paper. And I've got a cutoff from one of the background pages. Isn't that beautiful? And a smaller tag here. There's one of the smaller journaling cards. I've kind of rounded the corner here for a tuck, added some lace and some pink bling. This is a page from the Country Flowers of a Victorian Lady. I don't know the author. That page is long gone. But it's a nice thick page, and I thought I had used all the roses, and I just went in there and looked to see what was left, and there was a rose page, so I grabbed it. Here's another piece of the coffee and lace. We've got a little banner ticket cluster altered paper clip. Here I did do a little bit of stenciling on some of the white pages. I've got a small coin envelope I've tucked in here, and just another writing page. This paper is so pretty. There again, lace trim. I've got a piece of dictionary page. There is lace. It's probably on the other side. Another piece of the coffee dyed paper. Here I've got a belly band that I've backed with some lace trim. I've got a large envelope here that I've just tucked under, and there's a journal card there. Actually, let me do it on this side. And this is just a little journaling booklet. I might, yeah, make sure I'm in the right spot. I decided to use the blue background because I've noticed that the when I'm doing it on the lace, it kind of changes the whole color of the journal. On the video, it's very odd. It kind of washes out the color, so I decided to go with the blue. We'll see how it turns out. I've got some green ledger, more of the coffee and lace paper. I've got a corner flip with just a little piece of ephemera from the kit with some pink bling. I did sew around the corner pockets, and then these are all pieces of ephemera that are in the kit, and a small tag I've got with a piece of cotton trim. Here's our center. I've done a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and I've just added a piece of lace trim there. Here's that other corner flip with the pieces of ephemera and a small tag. Here's the horizontal belly band with some more writing paper. All of these have the pink graph on the back. And this one has a couple other cutoffs from the background pages and a small tag as well. And there is lace right there with a piece of lace. Here's another cluster here that we did with the banner and the ticket, just an altered paper clip. So I have clipped that onto this page, and I've tucked in an envelope and some more writing paper. It's the other page of that back of the floral page from the Country Flowers book. Here's the other large tuck. I've got writing paper again in the back here. Another cutoff. I think this is one of my favorites. I love the grungy nature of that cutoff. A small tag. There again, this one has lace and some pink bling. Doily, coffee dyed doily. And this is a glassine bag with a craft bag. I've made it so that the bag itself is a tuck, and I've got some writing paper back here. There is a medium tag in the bag. All of these are blank on the back for writing. The smaller craft bag has some cheesecloth and one of the small elements from the kit. Here's another one of those cutoffs that I've put there behind the bag. It's only glued on two sides. Got a little bit of pink bling and some real fun dangly lace on the bottom that hangs out the bottom of the journal, which I just love. Yeah. And then we've got the other double tuck pocket, or double tuck tag tuck, a piece of writing paper tucked back here. You could pretty much hide that and nobody would even know it was there, with a medium-sized tag and then a smaller tag peeking out, some lace trim, some pink bling. That's on the back of the music paper. It's the last of the designer pages. I've got on the back pocket, I've got a large tag that I've sewn around this image, matches the front cover. And I've got a library card and another small tag. We've got some cheesecloth and the butterfly. So it is quite chunky, but there again, I think it's fun, and I am probably going to loosen this tie just a smidge, but yeah, so you don't have to untie that every time. You just bring it down to where you want it so it's not covering up that rose, and yeah, there it goes. So I hope you enjoyed that. This one will go in my Etsy store as soon as I can get it in there. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.